Looking for the best drum sets in 2026? In this video, we review and compare the top drum kits for beginners, intermediates, and professionals. From powerful acoustic sets to compact electronic kits, we break down sound quality, build, features, and value for money. Whether you're starting your drumming journey or upgrading your setup, this guide will help you find the perfect drum set for your needs and budget. Number 3. The Best Choice Products 5-piece full-size drum set is an affordable, beginner-friendly acoustic kit that provides everything you need to start drumming right away. Designed as a complete package, it includes a bass drum, snare, 2 rack toms, floor tom, hi-hat, ride cymbal, pedal, stool, and drumsticks, making it an excellent choice for new players or those returning to the instrument. Built with wood shells, this drum set delivers a warm, full tone that's surprisingly rich for its price range. While it may not match high-end professional kits, the sound can be improved with simple tuning and minor adjustments, as many users have noted. The full-size configuration ensures a realistic playing experience, helping beginners develop proper technique from the start. Another highlight is its adjustability. Players can easily modify the tom angles, cymbal height, and seat position to create a comfortable setup, whether for kids, teens, or adults. The classic glossy finish with chrome hardware gives it a visually appealing, traditional drum kit look. User reviews praise it as a great starter set with strong value for money, though some mention that the included stool may need upgrading for better durability. Overall, this drum set is a solid entry-level option, perfect for practice, learning, and building foundational drumming skills without a large investment. Number 2. The Aliexpress Nitro Max Kit Compact Electric Drum Set is a powerful and beginner-friendly electronic drum kit that delivers impressive performance, quiet operation, and modern features in a compact design. Perfect for new drummers and home practice, this 8-piece kit includes ultra-quiet mesh heads, making it ideal for apartments or shared spaces. At the heart of the kit is a 10-inch dual-zone mesh snare, paired with 3/8 mesh toms and a responsive kick drum tower with pedal. The mesh heads provide a realistic rebound and low-noise playing experience, closely mimicking acoustic drums without disturbing others. The included cymbals are ride, crash with choke, and hi-hat with foot controller offer solid playability for practice and performance. The upgraded drum module is packed with 440-plus high-quality BFD sounds, 32 preset kits, and 16 user kits, allowing drummers to explore and customize their sound. Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to play along with music, while USB MIDI support enables seamless integration with DAWs and virtual instruments. You also get 90-day access to Drumeo, featuring lessons from top professional drummers. Users love its great sound quality, fun playing experience, and excellent value, though some note minor setup adjustments like tightening the snare. Overall, the Nitro Max Kit is a feature-packed, versatile electronic drum set that's perfect for beginners ready to start drumming seriously. Number 1. The Acoustic Acoustic Style Electric Drum Set, WmCorner 543, is a premium electronic kit that successfully bridges the gap between digital convenience and acoustic realism. Designed with a flagship configuration, it features a 16-inch wooden kick drum, 12 dual-zone wooden snare, full mesh pads, and a true 2-piece hi-hat system, delivering an incredibly authentic playing experience. One of the standout features is the independent hi-hat with top and bottom cymbals, offering precise foot control and natural articulation from tight chicks to smooth, open tones. The triple-zone ride cymbal, bell, bow, edge, and dual-zone crashes with choke function add expressive depth, making it ideal for dynamic performances. The wooden snare and kick drum provide excellent rebound and acoustic-style response, capturing everything from soft ghost notes to powerful hits. Powered by a robust sound module, the kit includes 460 high-quality sounds, along with 20 preset and 20 user kits for full customization. Built-in effects like reverb and EQ allow players to fine-tune their tone for studio or stage use. USB MIDI support ensures easy integration with recording software. User feedback highlights its realistic feel, zero noticeable latency, and sturdy build quality, with many praising its value for money and responsive customer service. Overall, this Acoustic drum set is an outstanding choice for drummers seeking a professional, acoustic-style electronic kit at a competitive price. Thanks for watching our 2026 drum set review. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect drum kit for your skills and budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest music gear reviews. Share your favorite drum set or your drumming experience in the comments below. We love hearing from fellow drummers. Keep rocking and drumming on.